starting with the new topic that goods and services tax. In this, initially, a manufacturer thing, then we have to pay two types of tax, that is CGST and SGST. CGST is Central Government Central Goods and Services Tax, and SGST is State Goods and Services Tax. Suppose it is tax is GST is 12%, then 6% will go to the central government and 6% will go to the state government. And then whatever profit the other people are earning, they will give the GST on that. Suppose now we have a sum. Example 1. Example 1 is manufacturer sells the washing machine for rupees 12,500. Manufacturer sells, and the dealer to dealer B to dealer B, and dealer B sells to consumer. He sells to consumer at profit of 1500. If the GST is 12%, then we have to find the CGST, the tax paid to the central government, SGST, paid to the state government, and the amount paid by consumer. We will not see what we have to solve. We'll go by the question. So first of all is manufacturer A sells to, so whosoever is purchasing, he will pay the GST. So B will pay the GST to A, and A will deposit to the government. So first CGST, because it was 12%, so CGST is 6% of 12,500, and SGST is also 6% of 12,500. That comes to 750 and 750. Second, so input CGST and input SGST both are 750 and 750 paid by B. Now he sold at profit of 1500. So price is 12,500 plus 1500, that is 1400 to the consumer. The consumer will pay the tax paid by consumer, because he has to CGST and SGST. How much? 6% of 14,000 and 6% of 14,000. That comes to 840 and 840. Now, the first question was how much tax paid by dealer B. Dealer B the amount of tax paid by dealer B to the central government is how much he will pay. 840 minus 750, that is 9, because 750 was paid by him already to dealer A and he has received 840, so he has to pay, that is CGST and SGST also. The amount of tax received by the central government, SGST total received by government, that is 750 plus 90, or you can say 840. Third is price paid by consumer. Railway will pay 14,000 and CGST and SGST. He'll pay both at the rate of 6%, that is 840 and 840. So the total amount the consumer will pay 15,608. Let's do second sum. A shopkeeper buy an article whose printed price is 4,000. Printed price is 4,000 from a wholesaler. At the discount of 20% and sells to the consumer at printed price. GST is 12%. So first of all, printed price. Discount so what will be the price? Price will be 3,200. Price at wholesaler purchase 4,000 into 800, that is 3,200. Now he will pay CGST and SGST at the rate of 6% on 3,200, because he has purchased at 3,200, and he will pay accordingly 192 and 1. Right? And he sold at printed price at rupees 4,000. So CGST and CGST collected by wholesaler. Wholesaler will collect at 6% of 4,000. 6% of 4,000, that is 240 and now the first question was, find the price of an article inclusive of first price of shopkeeper. Shopkeeper has paid 3,200 plus CGST how much? 192 and 1. So he has paid, total amount he has paid is 3,584. second. The amount of GST paid by shopkeeper to state government. Shopkeeper to state government. He has collected 240 and he has already paid 192, so he will pay 240 minus 192, 48 rupees he will pay. Third, the amount received by central government. Central government will receive total 192 plus 48, that will receive 240. And the fourth is the amount consumer will pay. Consumer will pay, one he will pay 4,000 plus 6% CGST and SGST 6%, that is 240, and 240, that is 4480 the consumer will. That is all for. Thank you very much.